What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you guys a quick tip on how to get sharper photos. Okay, so you may be wondering why your photos are coming out blurred. I ran into this issue some time ago. I have a Nikon D610 and a lot of my photos were coming out soft. The eyes were not sharp. The eyes were not in focus, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So it turns out there's this little thing called autofocus area mode. Okay, so once I got into live view and changed this one simple thing, my photos are much sharper. They're looking good. The eyes are sharp. And so that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do right now. I'm going to show you how to change your autofocus area mode on your Nikon. Maybe it's the same process on Canon or something similar, I'm not sure. But let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change your autofocus area mode. I'm using the Nikon. It's a D610 DSLR camera. Not sure how to do this on Canon. The first thing I'm going to do, you gotta make sure you're in live view. I'm going to go to live view. Okay, we're in live view, and you have an autofocus button on the side of your camera right here. You want to make sure you hold that button. Make sure it's on AF. Hold the button down. Okay, and you can see on the front here, we have this at the very top, you see AFS is highlighted. So mine is already set to normal. That's what you want it set on, is to normal. But I'm gonna rotate the front dial so you can see how it changes. Okay, as you see, it's in portrait mode right there. That's wide mode and normal. You wanna make sure it's in normal mode, NORM. So now you can release the button. So there you go, that's how you change your autofocus area mode. If your camera wasn't set to normal, set this to normal and you're gonna see a major difference in your photos. I guarantee it. Your photos are gonna be much sharper. All right, so that's it, man. I wanna thank y'all for watching the video. I hope this helps you in some kind of way. It helped me a lot, I know that. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with all your friends and family. And I'll see you on the next one.